The overarching aim of the projects are to identify ways in which young children can think of brushing their teeth without the interactions of sugar. A lot of people look at just the oral and care and the cavities. Gardening and Gums looks at the gum care element of it.
The project came kind of after lockdown, so it was really nice to see people actually in person and engaging and just starting to get back to normal.
We had over 100 children registered for it with about 45 parents. The children really enjoyed doing the activities because it was all about gardening, and when they think of teeth they don't naturally think of gardening, so they didn't know what to expect.
The children would be sort of pulling up carrots and beetroot and then cleaning the carrots and beetroot with little toothbrushes, obviously the root veg being teeth, and showing how difficult it is to get sugar off teeth.
Roehampton has a fabulous project, the Roehampton, run by the Roehampton Student Union, and it is really useful to have a campus resource facility right here in our own backyard.
We had several student volunteers who could help facilitate the growing project that Melissa had, we could sort of have these students out in the garden and sort of helping the sort of youth and the young people connect a little bit to the soil.
It's definitely opened up a lot of doors. So for example, networking wise, just by taking part in one project, it's opened a door to so many different other projects that you can get involved with, so many other people that you can get involved with, and it's just fantastic. So for example, for my degree, sociology and social anthropology, I was thinking to do maybe some research with children and the effect of different things with them, and just being able to take part in this project allowed me to open so many doors.
Projects like these are a way to invite the community to be involved and to see what we do as an institution and to partake of some of the opportunities that we can create and educate members of society. The next step would really be to think about how can we use our communities across the whole of England to run projects like these and to get children involved, seeing gardening not just as planting vegetables and fruits, but also contributing to their own care and their personal development, their oral care. How can we get them to relate at that level?